morning students. Again the linear equation in one variable exercise 2.1. Some of you have asked the question 1.6 is equals to y upon 1.5. This to be solved by me as you are finding the difficulty. Here 1.6 is in LHS and y upon 1.5 is in RHS. This is in LHS and this one is in RHS and we have to solve. You can just see that 1.5 is in the division with this y. Y is in numerator and 1.5 is in denominator. We just transfer this 1.5 to the LHS. So what we are getting, 1.6 into 1.5 is equals to y. 1.5 is in division with the y. So when it is transferred to the other side of the equal sign, it will be multiplied. 1.6 into 1.5. Now there is simple multiplication of this. So you can have this in the rough work. 1.6 into 1.5. 5 6 are 30. 3. 5 1 are 5 plus 3, 8. So put a cross over here. 6 and 1. 0. 8 plus 6, 14. 4. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. And there is 2 decimal point, one this and this one. So you have to put the decimal point here, 2.40. So this is equals to 2.4 is equals to y, or y is equals to 2.4. This is the value of the y. The variable y is equals to 2.4. The simple multiplication is there and you have to just see the multiply. Another question that you have asked is the 12th question. X upon 3 plus 1 is equals to 7 upon 15. X plus 3, x upon 3 plus 1 is equals to 7 upon 15. Now we will just see that the variable x is there. X is there, is in numerator and 3 is in denominator. So first of all we will remove this 1 from the LHS. X upon 3 is remaining as it is. This 1 is transferred to this side. 7 upon 15 minus 1. Now this 1 we will write as 1 upon 1. Now you have to take the LCM to solve this, or x upon 3 is equals to, the LCM is 15. Now 15 is dividing 1 times, so in the numerator it is 7 minus 1 divides 15 times, and 15 into 1 is 15. Now 7 minus 15. 7 minus 15 is minus of 8 upon 15. Because the minus sign is with the 15, so we will have to put the minus sign as 15 is greater than 7. So this is equals to minus 8 upon 15. Now we will transfer this 3 which is in division with this x. So x is equals to, as it is in division, it will be multiplied over there on the opposite side of the equal sign. 8 upon 15 into 3. Now from this 3 and 15, they are the multiple and factor. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, or x is equals to minus of 8 upon 5. So this is the answer. X is equals to minus of 8 upon 5, this value. Now in the next exercise 2.2, word problem is there. The next exercise, word problem is there. Exercise 2.2. Word problem is there. You have to understand the condition given and then you have to express it mathematically. the unknown quantity is taken as the variable, and then you have to write the expression form, and then you have to try to solve. The first question is, if you subtract half from a number, if you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by half, you get 1/8. What is the number? So number is asked in the question, so that number we take as x. So let us suppose that, let the number be x. Now the question says that if you subtract half from a number, that is from this number x we subtract half, x minus 1/2, and multiply the result. So whatever we are getting on subtraction of the half from this number, that is multiplied again by half, we get 1/8. So you have to find out x. X is the number. From this number we subtract half, and whatever we are getting from that, we are again multiplying half, then we get 1/8. This is the formulation of the given condition. Now we have to solve it for the unknown quantity, that is the number. So just to solve the bracket term, and in the same way you can just transfer this 2 to this side. X minus 1/2 is equals to, because 2 is in the denominator, you can transfer it in the numerator, 2/8. 2/8, that is 1/4, or x minus 1/2 is equals to 1/4. X is equals to, now this 1/2 which is subtracted from the x is transferred to the RHS, and there it is added by 1/4, 1/2. X is equals to, now we have to take the LCM. LCM is 4, as 4 is the multiple of 2, and it is taken as 1, plus 2 divides it 2 times, 2 into 1, 2. X is equals to 1 plus 2 is 3, 3/4. So 3/4 is that number from which, when half is subtracted and then it is multiplied by half, we are getting 1/8. You can just check it also